Hello, welcome back to my class, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. As you all know, we are discussing 9th lesson, Ali's Blue Raincoat. Let us see textbook bits. Take out page number 114, 114. Okay, so think and answer. This one is not necessary, but can you say me the answer, children? Does Ali like his raincoat? How do you know? Does he like his raincoat? Yes, he likes his raincoat. How do you know? Yeah, by seeing that even though if it is not raining, he wanted to wear his raincoat, so that we can say he likes his raincoat. Okay, very good. Next, why does Ali forget about his raincoat? He was very happy when it rained and he forget his raincoat. Okay, now let's see using grammar bit. First A bit is complete the sentences using the correct forms of the words in the box. Here is the help box and you have to check the correct form of the word and you have to write in a blanks. First is walk, water, keep, love, wake, help and fill. Now let's see the sentences. MRS, Mrs. SHARMA, Mrs. Sharma. HAS, has. A SMALL, small. GARDEN, garden. Mrs. Sharma has a small garden. SHE, she. KEEPS, keeps. HER, her. GARDEN, garden. CLEAN, clean. AND, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. So she keeps her garden clean and beautiful. Can you see here, children? This keeps has been underlined and it is in color. So this word we have taken from the help box, keep, and we have added S. Why do we add S here? Because here she we have used, and whenever he, she, it comes, we have to add S to that verb. Okay, this is nothing but simple present tense. Now EVERY, every, DAY, day, every day. SHE, she. Dash, UP, up. EARLY, early. She dash up early. Nothing but wakes, WAKE, wake we have taken from the help box and we have added S to that verb. Why? Because we have she here. Okay, next. SHE, she dash, TO2, THE, the WELL, well. She dash to the well. Answer is walks, WALKS, walks. SHE, she dash a BUCKET, bucket, WITH, with, WATER, water. She dash a bucket with water. Nothing but fills, FILLS, fills. THEN, then SHE, she dash, THE, the PLANTS, plants. Then she dash the plants. Nothing but waters, WATERS, waters. SOMETIMES, sometimes. HER, her. SON, son. VIJAY, Vijay, sometimes her son Vijay dash her, HER, her. IN, THE, the GARDEN, garden. Vijay helps, HELPS, helps her in the garden. Full stop. THEY, they dash, THE, the GARDEN, garden. VERY, very. MUCH, much. They love, LOVE, love the garden very much. Now can you see here, children? Vijay, Vijay is the name of a boy. So the single plural form will be of a boy, he comes. So he helps. As I said you before that whenever he, she, it comes, we have to add S to the verb. And whenever I, you, we, they comes, we have to not add any S. Just the verb will be single. Okay, like suppose love. They loves we cannot say. They love we have to say. Okay, did you understand? Now let us see here, play this game part. Are you ready to play? Here, the first what he said, your teacher will draw a stick figure on the blackboard like this. So as you know that we are in a pandemic session, so just let me draw on a paper and make up things about the stick figure by calling out things like, her name is Anna, she is short, she has long hair. Stick figure is nothing but like this figure, children. So you have to make up her. You have to add something and afterwards you have to define. Then see how many things you can say about the stick figure. You can choose if the figure is a boy or a girl. Your wish, you can make it as a girl or a boy. Remember to use sentences like the ones in color above. You have to use the sentences like this. Her name is dash. She is dash. She has a dash. Okay. Then some of the things you can talk about are the name, if they are tall or short, if their hair is curly or straight, long or short, or what they like to eat and what they like to play. So here I have drawn both. This is for girls and this is for boys. Okay, children? So here I have drawn stick figure of girl and here stick figure of boy. Now let me define first about girl. Her name is Pinky. She is short and has straight short hair. Okay? Then she like to eat pizza and like to play badminton. Whereas his name is Joy. He is tall and short. And he is having short hair and wearing a cap. Okay? He like to eat sandwich and like to play cricket. Okay? So like this you can make the stick figure of a boy or else a girl and you can define about them. Okay, this was the game, children. I hope you have enjoyed. So well, that's all for today, children. The remaining bits I'll be explaining you in the next video. So till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.